my channel, and if you're new, hey, my name is LaPortia. Today I'm back with another BoxyCharm, and so far I am loving it. And if you don't know what it is, it's a $25 subscription with 5 full-size makeup products. So let's get it started. This is what it looks like on the inside. You're always gonna get this card. It'll have a theme on it. This month it is Bubbles and Glitz. And on the other side, we'll have how much the products retails for and a description of each item. The first thing I'm gonna review is this mascara by Tarte Man Eater. This is what it looks like. You know, I really love this mascara. I've tried it once. I have it in a clip that's gonna come up next. And I like it way better than the last mascara I got in my last BoxyCharm because it actually made me look like I had falsies on. So I really like it. It retails $23 and it helps volumize, length, and it curls your eyelashes. And this is what the wand looks like. And I really like that kind of wand. So yes, that's that by Tarte. This product I was so happy to get because I've seen them in stores but never was bold enough to buy it. But I got one in my BoxyCharm. So it's magnetic eyelashes. It comes with the liquid eyeliner and the eyelashes, and to me it's amazing. At first I was scared to use it because I'm like, how in the world does an eyeliner help eyelashes stay on that's magnetic? I mean, clearly it gotta be something that's making it stay on, because all I did was put the eyeliner on and it just shot up right on my eye. Like it had glue on it and it stayed on all day. So I do have a clip with me putting it on, but like I said, this retails $63 and it's medium wispy flared lash that gives a classy and beautiful winged eye effect, made from high quality 100% vegan synthetic fibers. The Glammatic magnetic eyeliner is the magic that holds your favorite glammatic lashes in place all day. So it's a really good product. Like I said, I have it. I recorded me putting it on. I don't know how good the recording is, honestly, because when I'm putting my eyelashes on, I gotta be all up in the mirror. I can't really do it in front of the camera, but I did the best I could. So it's gonna be the next clip. So this product is so different to me. I've never heard of it. I've never seen it, but it's called the Original Makeup Eraser. It's a sponge that is first ever machine washable, and it is formulated by the Original Makeup Eraser. It features the same unique wash technology to erase makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing. So it retails $18. And I tried the sponge just like any other sponge. soft. It didn't soak up too much makeup. But the thing that I was kind of surprised about is this ball. I've never heard of putting a makeup sponge in a ball to clean it in the wash machine. So this is the ball. Supposed to put the sponge in it like that. And I guess do that, blah, blah, blah. And you're supposed to put it in the wash machine. It says use detergent. I'm not putting detergent on my face by cleaning this. Like, maybe that's a way people do makeup brushes and sponges, and I haven't heard about it because I use a cleanser. Or if I don't use a cleanser, I will use a mild baby shampoo to clean my makeup sponges and brushes. So, I'm really picky with what I put on my face. As like I said in my last video, I don't break out. So I'm definitely not gonna put this in a wash machine with detergent and clean it and then put it on my face. I mean, it might work. Maybe I'm overthinking it, but it just seems a little odd to me. And plus, like, how is it supposed to clean? It's not like anything is squeezing it, because when you clean makeup brushes and especially beauty blenders, you gotta squeeze it to get most of the makeup out of it. So it's just weird to me. So you can also put it in the dryer, and it says put it on the highest heat because it kills the germs, which makes sense. But I would think this would mess up or something, but I guess not. Maybe one day I'll just try it just to see, but I don't think I'm gonna put it on my face right after I do it. I'll probably clean it again in regular water and cleanser, but I'm not gonna just put it in the wash machine, dry it, and then just start using it on my face. I just don't trust it. So yeah, that's that product. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of foundation on my face and just blend it in so you can see how well the makeup sponge works. One day I'll probably try the wash machine thing, but as of now, this is all I'm going to show with it. So I ended up getting a MAC lipstick this month in BoxyCharm. It is number 646, Marrakesh. Hope I pronounced that right. And that's the lipstick. I tried it on for y'all. It will be in the next clip. But I'm really happy that they gave me this shade because I love red lipsticks, maroon, dark colors. I mean, I have all the other ones too, purple, pink, blah, 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 but I feel like I look the best in red and like maroon. So I'm really happy that I got this shade because I've seen some other December BoxyCharm reviews and a lot of people got like pink ones. So I'm happy that I got this maroonish, reddish color. And yeah, that's that. But this retails $19. Which I'm pretty sure most of y'all know because it's MAC. And to be honest, this is my first MAC lipstick. I normally get the lip glosses and that's about it. So kind of happy about this product. Last I have Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. It has 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. The convenient palette contains shades for sculpting, bronzing, to add natural looking warmth and definition, blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlighting shades for a flattering candlelit radiance. This retails $55. So that's what it looks like. I'm so loving getting palettes. I love palettes. I love highlighter. I love blush. I love all of that. And last time I got 2 palettes and this time I got 1. And like I said, I'm really happy about it. I did some swatches for you. It's going to be in the next clip. But that's what they look like without being swatched. And it is so adorable. So I tried my best to get the product on my arm. The shimmery one showed up the best, which is my favorite. And the ones with no shimmer, you can hardly see, like the first one on my arm. It blends in kind of to my skin. And next, I'm going to just put a little bit of the red shimmery blush on my cheeks. It could be a highlighter or a blush, so I'm just gonna put it on. And yeah, that's that. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, subscribe and like. And thank you for watching. Bye.